Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to uninstall or remove updates on Windows PC. So friends, if you want to remove updates on your PC, so there is simple and easy method. Firstly, click on Start and search Program and Features. And friends, in some PC you will see Apps and Features. So search here Programs and Features or Apps and Features. So both are similar. Click on Apps and Features. Now in this right side you will find option Programs and Features. So just click on it. Now click on View Installed Updates. So friends, in here you will find a list of installed updates with publisher and with installed date. So if you want to remove and uninstall any update of this list, so just select it. So check this box and click on uninstall. Read this one, save and close any work in progress now. Uninstalling the update may cause Microsoft Office to restart and may remove other Office updates that require the update. Are you ready to uninstall? So if you are ready and you are sure, so click on uninstall. So friends, as we can see, the update was successfully uninstalled. Now just click on OK. So that's it friends. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.